Hello students, let's continue with polynomials, exercise 2.5, which is based on algebraic identities. So here are our identities from 1 to 8. We have learned them in the previous class. So quickly, without wasting time, let's move on to the 8th sum. So we need to factorize each of the following. That means these are the sums and we have to write them into products of their factors, right? So let's take a look at the first sum, which is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6b square, right? Now we are going to use an identity to factorize it. Looking over here, first of all, we have cube terms here. That means we have to look into the cubic equations. Now let's take a look at x plus y the whole cube. That is our sixth identity, which says x cube plus y cube plus 3xy into x plus y, or x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square, right? Now this is similar to our identity number 6, right, where you have the first two terms as cubes and the second two terms we have as a square b and ab square. So we are going to use our sixth identity to solve this problem. Now we've been given with the right hand side in the question. That means we have to find what is on the left hand side. So I'm just going to swap this identity while writing it over here, and instead we have x and y over here, but we have a and b over here. Okay, so I'm going to say, using my sixth identity, which is x plus y, x cube plus y cube plus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to x plus y the whole cube, right? Now see, the first two terms over here are perfect cubes. So we need to convert these into perfect cubes. Accordingly, now we have the third and the fourth term with proceeding with 3. So we will have to split these as well in order to match the equations, and then it will be simple to find the factors, right? So let me just quickly go ahead. This looks like a 3, so I'm just going to write it properly. Okay. So I'm just going to rewrite my expression. So I have 8a cube, rewriting my question, 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square, right? Now 8a cube can be written as 2a the whole cube. B cube stays as it is. Now we have a 3 over here, right? But before I proceed, I found the value of my x and y. So let me just quickly write this. Therefore x is equal to 2a and y is equal to b. Now I can simply substitute x is equal to 2a and y is equal to b in my identity, right? So first of all, I need a 3. So I write 3 as it is. A square, this is going to be 2a the whole square into b, right? Again, I have a 3 over here. So 3, a is, x is 2a and b square, so b square. Now let us just calculate this and see whether we are getting the corresponding terms, right? So 3 into 2a square, which is 3 into 4a square, which is 3 4s are 12, 12a square b, right? Similarly, this is 3 2s are 6 ab square. So we have just rewritten it in a proper format to match our identity, correct? So now we have x cube plus y cube plus 3xy square, x square y plus 3xy square, which is nothing but x plus y the whole cube. So let me rewrite it in the form of its factor, which is nothing but 2a plus b the whole cube, right? So this is my answer. I'm going to rewrite it in the question answer format, which is 8a cube plus b cube plus 12a square b plus 6ab square is equal to 2a plus b the whole cube, right? And finally, I'm going to box it. So here is my answer and here is my solving. Okay, let us quickly proceed to question number 2 now. So my question number 2 is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now this is similar to the previous one, however with a difference of negative sign, right? Now let's check our identities. We have the seventh identity wherein you have x minus y the whole cube is equal to x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Rings a bell? We have the first two terms as cubes with a negative sign, and then a square b and ab square with a negative and positive alternating sign. So I am going to use my identity number 7 to solve this question. So I am going to say using x minus x, first of all I am going to write my right hand side first because I have already been given with the right hand side. I need to find my left hand side. So I am just swapping the sides of this identity and rewriting it. So I have x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, right? Just leaving some space for x is equal to and y is equal to, okay, because we will have to find it out to replace it into this equation. So rewriting my question, which is 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square. Now we know that 8a cube can be written as 2a the whole cube. So this is nothing but equal to 2a the whole cube. B cube remains as it is minus. Now we have a third term having 3 as its first number. So I am going to write 3. Then it is x square y. Now how to find my x and y? Look at this. You have your x as 2a and y as b. So x is 2a and y is b. So just substituting x is equal to 2a and y is equal to b in my identity, I get 2a the whole square into b plus 3 into a into 3 into 2a because it is ab, right? So 2a into b square. So 3 4s are 12, 12a square b and 3 2s are 6 ab square. So 6ab square. Therefore, this is of my this is of the form of the identity number 7, which is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, which is nothing but equal to, I'll just erase this side. This is equal to x minus y the whole cube, right? My x was 2a and y was equal to b, right? So x minus y the whole cube in this case is going to be 2a minus b the whole cube, right? Now I am going to rewrite this answer into question answer format for my examiner to notice it. So therefore we have 8a cube minus b cube minus 12a square b plus 6ab square is equal to 2a minus b the whole cube, right? And now boxing my answer. Please take a look. So we have solved this sum using our identity number 7. Okay, let us quickly proceed. This is question number 2. Okay, let us quickly proceed to question number 3. So question number 3 is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square, right? Now if you notice, 27 is a cube of 3 and 125, if you do not know how to find the cube, it is very simple. You take 125, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 2 5s are 10, no, 5 2s are 10 and 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25 and 5 1s are 5. So the cube root of 125 is 5, therefore 125 can be written as 5 cube, right? So we have the first two terms as cubes and negative signs in between, right? And then you have a and a square. this matches our identity number 7, which is nothing but x minus y the whole cube, right? However, we've been given with the right hand side, so I'm going to write the right hand side first and the left hand side. Okay, so using my identity number 7, which is using x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to x minus y the whole cube, right? Just leaving some space for x is equal to and y is equal to, right? Let us write the question once again. We have our sum as 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square, right? So this can be written as 3 cube minus 5a the whole cube minus, okay, so we've got our x as 3 and y as 5a. So let me just rewrite this, 3 and 5a. Now we can simply split these terms to match this format, that is 3x square y and 3xy square. So I write this as 3 x square, which is 3 square, y, which is 5a, okay, plus 3 into a square, which is, sorry, xy square. So 3 into 5a the whole square, right? So this is of the format x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square. Now let us calculate to see whether we get this term on multiplying as 135. So 3 into 3 square is 3 cube, which is 27. So 5 is 5 sevens are 35, 5 twos are 10 and 135. So we've got 135, right? So 135a. Similarly, let's check for this. You have 9 into 25. So 25 into 9, 9 5s are 45, 9 2s are 18 and 18 plus 4 is 22. So here you have 225a square, right? So now comparing this with my identity, what do I get? This is x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, which is equal to x minus y the whole cube. So this can be written as 3 minus 5a the whole cube, right? Let us write our answer into the question answer format, which is 27 minus 125a cube minus 135a plus 225a square is equal to 3 minus 5a the whole cube, right? And finally, I'm going to box it up. So we have completed the third sum of question number 8. Let us go ahead and solve the fourth one, okay? So my fourth sum is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 ab square, right? Again you see that 64 is the cube of 4 and 27 is the cube of cube of 3. So the first two terms are going to be perfect cubes with negative signs in between, and then you have a square b and ab square with their respective coefficients and alternating negative and positive sign. Now this resembles my identity number 7. So I am going to use my identity number 7 to solve this question. Also, I have been given with the right hand side of this identity. I need to find the left hand side. So I am going to write it in a swapping manner, wherein I write this format first and this format later, right? So using x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square is equal to x minus y the whole cube, right? So x is equal to and y is equal to. We will find these values of x and y and then substitute in this identity, right? So my question is 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144a square b plus 108ab square, right? So 64a cube can be written as 4a the whole cube and 27b cube can be written as 3b the whole cube. Let us rewrite it. So 4a the whole cube minus 3b the whole cube. Now comparing this with our identity over here, your value of x becomes 4a and your value of y becomes 3b, right? So x is 4a and y is 3b. Now let us substitute. Now my next term is, the third term is going to start with 3. So I write 3 x square y. So x square is 4a the whole square into y, which is 3b. Again plus 3 xy square. So my x is 4a and y is 3b. So 3b the whole square. So this is going to give me 64a cube and this is going to give me 27b cube. How about this term? Is it giving me 144a square b? Let's check. 3 into 16. So 3 into 16 into 3. So 9 into 16. So 16 into 9. 9 6s are 54. 9 1s are 10. So 144. I have got my 144, right? Similarly, let's check for the last term whether multiplying this is going to give me 108 ab square. So here you have a and b square, so that is sorted. How about the coefficients? 3 4s are 12, 12 into 9. We know that 12 into 9 is 108. So here we have 108 ab square. Now this is of the format a cube minus x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, which is nothing but x minus y the whole cube, right, using our identity. So this is 4a minus 3b the whole cube. Let us write our answer in the question answer format. So this is going to give me 64a cube minus 27b cube minus 144 a square b plus 108 ab square is equal to 4a minus 3b the whole cube, right? Boxing my answer. Here we have found the fourth question, right? Solution to my fourth question. Now let us proceed with the last sub question of question number 8. That's fifth one. You have 27p cube minus 1 upon 216, that's 216, minus 9 upon 2 p square plus 1 upon 4 p. Again we know that 27 is the cube of 3. So this is nothing but 3p the whole cube, and 216 is the cube of 6. So this is nothing but 1 upon 6 the whole cube. Right? If you do not know that 6 is the cube of 216 is the cube of 6, we can always solve it, right? So I have 6 3s are 18 and 6 6s are 36, 6 6s are 36 and 6 1s are 6, right? So which identity I am going to use this? You have the first two terms as cube, then you have p square and p with alternating negative and positive sign. So again I am going to use my identity number 7. Okay, so using x cube minus y cube minus 3xy x square y plus 3xy square is equal to x minus y the whole cube. We will find our values for x and y and substitute it in the identity for this question. right? So first I'm going to write my question once again. 27p cube minus 1 upon 216 minus 9 upon 2p square plus 1 upon 4p, right? Let us write it in this format according to the identity. So this is 3p the whole cube minus 1 upon 6 the whole cube. So comparing these two terms with our identity, we get our x as 3p and y as 1 upon 6. So quickly substitute is 3p and 1 upon 6, right? Now let's go ahead and find the third and fourth term. This is going to be 3 into 3p square into 1 upon 6. Right, plus 3 into 3p into 1 upon 6 the whole square. Now you must be wondering that this is 9 upon 2, how can this be 9 upon 2, and this is 1 upon 4, how is this 1 upon 4, right? We have written this as per the identity, but we will go ahead and verify whether this value is giving me 9 upon 2 p square and this value is giving me 1 upon 4 p square. So let's take the first one. You have 3 into 3p square, which is 3 into 9p square into 1 upon 6, right? So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. This is equal to 9 upon 2 p square. See, we have 9 upon 2 p square. Agreed? Now let's check for the fourth one, fourth term, which is 3 into 3p into 1 upon 6 the whole square, which is 1 upon 36, right? So 3 1s are 3, 3 12s are 36, 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12, which is 1 upon 4p, right? So we have just rewritten our question just to match our identity so that we can further factorize it, right? So do not panic when you get equations like this and you will be wondering that this is 9, okay, this is going to give me 3 into 3 into 3 square, which is 27, this is upon 6, how can it be 9 upon 2? Just go ahead and verify it and I'm sure it will match the identity, which is why they have framed the question in this particular manner for you to solve, just to trick you, okay? So this is of the form x cube minus y cube minus 3x square y plus 3xy square, which is nothing but x minus y the whole cube. Therefore, our answer is going to be 3p minus 1 upon 6 the whole cube, right? So finally, we are going to write our answer in the question answer format, which is 27p cube minus 1 upon 26 minus 9 upon 2p square plus 1 upon 4p is equal to 3p minus 1 upon 6 the whole cube, right? Box it up. So I have found the solution to my fifth problem of question number A. So this was about it. We will continue with the next sums of the exercise 2.5 in the forthcoming lectures. Thank you.
Hope this video increased your knowledge. For more such videos and a completely free educational content, log on to www.epathshala.org or visit our ePathshala YouTube channel. We have each and every question solved for maths, physics, chemistry and biology. So subscribe our channel, share with your friends, like our Facebook page and follow our Twitter handle for regular updates and important educational tips, and also win ePathshala goodies. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe this channel and enjoy the freedom of education.